Giraffe is worth testing if you already spend time playing mobile games, but the value depends on how much you earn compared with the time you spend. By the end, you'll know what Giraffe actually rewards, what affects your earnings, and how to decide whether the app is worth your time. Giraffe rewards users for eligible activity inside supported mobile games and other offers. Depending on what is available in your account, you may also see surveys, challenges, achievements, streaks, or referral-related rewards. The first thing to check is the reward rate for the specific game you're considering. Don't assume every game pays at the same rate. Open the offer inside Giraffe and read the requirements before installing or starting it. This matters because some offers can require specific actions, milestones, or activity before the reward is credited. If you start playing without checking those conditions, you can spend time on an offer without understanding what qualifies for a reward. The next factor is tracking. Giraffe needs to correctly associate eligible activity with your account. After starting an offer, check your balance or progress to make sure the activity is being recorded. If your progress isn't tracking, don't keep spending hours on the same game, hoping the rewards will appear later. Check the app permissions and offer requirements first. Then contact support if the problem continues. Your time is the main cost. A reward that looks attractive on the screen isn't automatically worthwhile if it takes a long time to complete. Compare the reward you expect to receive with the amount of time required. For example, if an offer shows a reward after reaching a particular game milestone, estimate how long that milestone will take before committing to it. You can then decide whether the return is reasonable for your own time. Giraffe also isn't a guaranteed income source. Available games, offers, reward rates, and redemption options can change, so today's best offer may not be the same one you see later. The simplest way to test the app is to choose one clearly explained offer, confirm that tracking works, and record how much you earn compared with the time you spend. That gives you a personal hourly value instead of relying on someone else's results. So, is Giraffe worth the time? It can be for casual rewards and spare gaming time, but you should judge it by your actual earnings per hour rather than the headline reward. Your next step is to pick one offer, read every requirement, and track your time from the first minute. If this breakdown helped, like the video and subscribe for more Giraffe guides, fixes, and honest tests.